please hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon for the future notification to watch more videos of latest fashions and trends. Thank you so much for your love and support. Hello friends, welcome back to Amazing Men's World. In this video I'd be showing how to convert this simple plain blouse to new designer blouse. It will really looks very rich and elegant, and it's really inexpensive. The final lookout will really leaves an impression of bridal blouse design or party wear collection. It's a huge pattern design, but we can convert within no time. So let's quickly start with this designing. Highlighting of the neckline. For that I'd be using gold and blue color lace like this. I'll be placing this lace all around the neckline, also on the sleeve openings, and giving an invisible stitches on it. Further, the design will be extended using this square gold color frames, also the gold color flowerings of medium size. So firstly I'll apply the glue for this square frames, and after fixing that we have to apply the glue in the center to stick these flower rings. These designer frames, also the flower rings, are easily available in the fancy stores, tailoring material shops, also the online links given in the description box. If you want, check it. One after another without leaving any gaps, we have to apply the glue, stick it uniformly like this. Also the same work I'd be applying on the sleeve openings also like this. Hardly I have spent only 100 rupees for this type of design. The lace is of 2 meters, which is 10 rupees. And these wire frame rings, which is of 20 rupees, of 2 tula. Flower rings, which is of 20 rupees, also 2 tulas. Kundans of 10 rupees, which is 1 tula. And other silver kundans, which I have spent 20 rupees. So totally I have spent for this type of blouse designing is 90 rupees. Randomly I'll be applying the glue dots to stick these flower rings. Spread it evenly so that the finishing which we should be neat and clean. And this will take some time to dry. In the meantime, we have to place any weights on this sleeve opening, also on the neckline. On the neckline I'll be placing the scale and press it gently because of unevenness on the neckline. That means the curve shaped neckline, it will not stick properly. So to get the evenness, we have to place any scale or any book for some time till it dries. This is just a simple tip because on the curves it will not stick properly. And once it is dried, we have to give an invisible stitches on these square frames, also followed with the flower ring. For that, here I'd be using cotton silk thread with 9mm hemming needle. Firstly I'll stitch the square frame corner like this, followed with the flower ring, and to the end like this. The first end with the second starting, both together at a time, we have to give an invisible stitch on it. Like this on the complete neckline. Also the small booties of flower rings with the sleeve openings design, we have to give an invisible stitches. This is to secure for long run. Even after the frequent washes, it will not come out. As we are completely working with the gold pattern, while washing we have to follow some precautions. Do not go for the complete wet wash. Preferable is the light wash or the dry wash. Also you can go with the shampoo wash. Now we have to give an invisible stitches on these flower rings also like this. And once the stitching is done, we have to give the tight knots to secure. Now here I'll be using small size of red color kundan, circular shape. Just apply the glue in the center of these flower rings and sticking on that. Here I'll be going with the single color kundan, that is red color. You can also use multicolors according to your requirement. Further, the design will be extended using these silver shining kundan, that is to fill in the leftover gaps in between. So I'll be applying the glue dots to stick these silver designer kundans. If you think that the kundans will fall off, then you can also use any types of color beads for this designing further, or you can also go with the rhinestones. Further on the booty also I'd be applying 2 dots oppositely each to stick silver designer kundans. and in this way we have highlighted with the gold frames, silver pattern work enhanced with the kundans, and the final lookout is in front of you. Really, this has turned so pretty well that I cannot express in words, and the result is in front of you. The complete designer blouse with a beautifully enhanced sleeves design. Of spending only 90 rupees, we can convert our old plain blouse to new designer blouse. I hope sharing of this idea is useful to you all. If you really enjoyed watching this video, please hit the like icon to support my efforts. Also, do share this video in your community or circles, may be useful to others. Thank you so much for watching friends. Meet you all with another interesting video. Subscribe to Amazing Women's World channel. Stay tuned to watch more. Please do also hit the bell icon to receive future notifications.